Hi children, welcome back to the English online classes. So in the previous class we have discussed lesson 3, the elves and the shoemaker. It's question answers. The question answers 1, 2 and 3. It is a little bit lengthy but you should write and practice. So you can able to write the answers. Okay children. And today let us discuss the grammar topic from that lesson. Before that, I want to remind you about the ARC integrated project. So every year we were doing a project, but this time it is a slight difference. What is it? Yes, we need to integrate the art forms in this project. So as per the CBSE circular, a list of pair states we have got. So our Kerala's pair state is Himachal Pradesh. Both of them are very beautiful places. Where we can see Himachal Pradesh in our map. Yes, in the northern part of our India. And Kerala is situated at the southern part of India. But there are so many similarities in between Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. Both of them are very beautiful places and both of them are called as God's own countries. So children, through this project you are able to know more about Himachal Pradesh, its culture, its tradition, its language and the dressing style and their food style. So make this project actively and you can search in Google. For class 2 our topic is fruits. So under this topic you want to integrate English, Malayalam, Maths and Hindi. What do you want to do in English? You can draw a tree in a paper and you want to paste different types of fruits from Kerala and Himachal Pradesh. And you want to write their names too. First you can take a piece of paper and draw a tree and you can color it. And you want to paste different types of fruits pictures and paste that in the tree and you can write their name too. So don't forget that one and your submission date is 28th of this December. So before that you should search in Google and collect the pictures of fruits, different types of fruits from Kerala and Himachal Pradesh and do the project. And today let us discuss the grammar topic from lesson 3. The grammar topic is adjective. What's another name of adjective? Describing words. This topic we have already started in grade 1. So adjective, the another name is describing word. The words we use to describe the quality of a person, place, animal or thing that we can call adjective. To describe more about a noun, to talk more about a noun, the words we are using to talk more about a noun. Such words we can call adjective or describing words. And the words for number, colors, size and shape, that are also adjective. When we are using numbers or colors, size or shape of any nouns, that also are adjective. And we can see the examples. So look at the example. The first one is smart boy. Smart boy. Here which is a noun? Yes, boy. Here the word smart shows the quality of the boy. So here the adjective is smart. Smart shows the quality of the boy. Quality. Quality. Quality of the boy. And the second one, green parrot. Green parrot. Here which is a noun? Parrot. Here green shows the color of the parrot. So here the adjective is green. Green shows the color of the parrot. And the third one, big hall. Big hall. Here the noun is hall. Big shows the size of the hall. So here the adjective is big. Big shows the size of the noun. Size. And the next one, round ball. Round ball. Here which is a noun? Yes, ball is the noun. Here round shows the shape of the ball. So here the adjective is round. Okay. So round shows the shape of the ball. shape of the pond. And the next one hen and two chicks. One hen and two chicks. Here the nouns are hen and chicks. Here which is adjective? One and two. It shows the number of the hen and chicks. The number of the hen and chicks. So children, the words for quality, color, size, shape and number, that also we can call adjective. Words for number, color, size and shape are also adjective. An adjective also describes how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells and sounds like. It will be clear to you through this example. So see this example. First one, beautiful girl. Beautiful girl. Here beautiful describes how the girl looks. Here beautiful shows how the girl looks. So children, here the adjective is beautiful. It shows how the girl looks. And the second one, salty chips. Salty chips. Here which is adjective? Yes, salty. Salty describes the taste of the chips. Here salty describes the taste of the chips. So salty is the adjective here. Third one, soft pillow. Soft pillow. Which is adjective here? Yes, soft. It describes the feel of the pillow. Soft describes the feel of the pillow. Soft describes the feel of the pillow. And the fourth one, fresh fragrance. Fresh fragrance. Here which is adjective? Yes, fresh. Fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. Fragrance means the smell. So here fresh describes the fragrance of the perfume. Here fresh describes the smell, fragrance of the perfume. And fifth one, loud music. Loud music. Here which is the adjective? Yes, loud. Here loud describes the sound of the music. Here loud describes the sound of the music. So children, an adjective also talks about how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells and sounds. And we can see some more examples. Underline the adjectives. See, from these sentences you need to underline the correct adjective. The first one, an insect has 2 or 6 legs. An insect has 2 or 6 legs. How many legs? Yes, 6. So it shows the number of the adjective. Second one, an elephant is a tiny or large animal. An elephant is a tiny or large animal. So which is adjective? Tiny or large? Yes, large. It shows the size of the animal. Third one, a car has 4 or 2 wheels. A car has 4 or 2 wheels. How many wheels for a car? Yes, 4. So it shows the number of the adjective. Fourth one, leaves are blue or green. What's the color of the leaves? Yes, green. So it shows the color of the adjective. And fifth one, honey is sweet or sour. What's the taste of honey? Yes, sweet. So it shows the taste of the adjective. Sixth one, fire is hot or cold. Fire is hot or cold? Yes, hot. It shows the feel of the adjective. Seventh one, a giraffe has a long or short neck. A giraffe has a long or short neck. Yes, long neck. It shows the size of the neck. Eighth one, these shoes are clean or dirty. These shoes are clean or dirty. These shoes are. And ninth A rock is soft or hard? Yes, hard. And 10th one, lions are strong, weak or animals. Strong or weak lions? Yes, strong animals. Lions are strong animals. It shows the quality of lions. So children, now we can discuss the textual activity from page number 17.
Page number 17, Grammar. Look at these sentences. Boris and Emma lived in a little house. In the sentence, which is the adjective? Yes, little. Then second one, they were poor. Here which is adjective? Yes, poor. So the words in bold are called adjectives. An adjective describes a noun. Adjective is talking more about a noun. See below, you can see one exercise A. Match the adjectives in A with the correct pictures in B and write the words. In the A, they are given the words, first one soft, second one big, third one hot, fourth one white and fifth one tiny. In column B, the first picture is tea, a cup of tea. Second one is ant, third one feather and fourth one D, elephant and fifth one E, clouds. Now we want to match the adjective in column A with the pictures in column B. They are already given one example. First one soft, feather. Second one big. Which is a word? Yes, big, elephant. Third one hot. Yes, hot, tea. Fourth one white. Yes, white, clouds. And fifth one tiny, ant. So children, you should match the pictures and write their names too.
So today we have discussed our grammar topic, that is adjective. Adjective means the words that describes the quality of a person, place, animal or thing. And the words for numbers, colors, size and shape are also adjective. And the adjective describe how someone or something looks, tastes, feels, smells and sounds. So children, you should complete the textual activity and in the next class discuss the textual activity and the vocabulary session. So don't forget to do the project. So we can meet in the next classroom. Then take care.